Hey sweeties, today we're baking these simply irresistible brown butter snickerdoodles. Let's begin by browning our butter. I have my saucepan over medium-low heat and I'm adding in sliced butter. Now the butter will go through stages from melting to foaming and then browning. It will smell amazing, but you have to keep a close eye on it because once it starts to foam, it can go from beautifully brown to completely burnt fairly quickly. As soon as the butter starts to turn a golden brown color, immediately remove it from the heat and pour it in a heat-proof bowl and set it aside for at least 20 minutes. Make sure you get all of those brown bits because those hold all the flavor. To a bowl, add flour, baking soda, cream of tartar. We're going to add a bit of espresso powder, cinnamon, and salt. Whisk this until thoroughly combined, then set aside. In a separate bowl, we have brown sugar, granulated sugar, and we're going to add in the cooled brown butter. You don't want to cook the eggs, trust me. Use an electric hand mixer to blend together and get any lumps out. Then add in the egg yolk, vanilla, and the softened cream cheese. Mix everything until it's well combined. I know you'll love these brown butter snickerdoodles because browning the butter adds a depth of flavor that regular snickerdoodles just can't match. And the scent of these cookies baking is enough to make your mouth water. It'll have your kitchen smelling like a bakery, I promise you. Now it's time to slowly incorporate the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, beating on low until it's just combined. Now I've linked the full recipe blog in the description below, along with the tools I use so you can make these unforgettable cookies. I like to use a cookie scoop for this step, so each cookie is the same size and will bake evenly. Once scooped, I roll the dough in my hands to shape into balls, and once all the dough is shaped, I cover my baking sheet with cling wrap and place it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 3 hours. If you don't have that kind of time, chill it in the freezer for at least 30 minutes. Please don't skip this step. Chilling the dough is key. After what may seem like an eternity, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, then get to work on your cinnamon sugar mixture. Roll the chilled dough balls in the cinnamon sugar and place them on a baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches of space for spread. Bake these for 8 to 11 minutes or until the edges turn a beautifully golden brown. Now they may seem slightly underdone when you pull them out, but don't worry, they will continue to cook once they're out of the oven. Now it is finally time to enjoy your delicious brown butter snickerdoodles. If you love these cookies as much as I do, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.